For this project you will need the elastic lace, some soft lining fabric for the gusset, the needles to pin the fabric, the picot elastic, the threads which are matching your fabric and the elastic, the ribbon, the scissors, the lighter, the piece of chalk to outline the pattern, and the pattern you'll find the link in the description box below. Fold your lace in half and make sure that the scallops are matching each other. After, grab the pattern and place it on the scallop's edge. Outline everything with the piece of chalk and after, cut it off. And here I have two gussets, one on the lining fabric and one on the lace, two front elements, one front top element, and this is the back elements as well. So let's move the elements I don't need, and I'm going to start with these elements first. Next, grab the picot elastic and sew it on here and here. On top of the fabric, place the elastic face to each other. Elastic also has a right side and the wrong one. So basically, you need to place it right side to the right side. And sew it here. Do not stretch the fabric when you sew and stretch a little bit only the elastic. After, fold the elastic this way and sew it one more time here with the settings you can see on the screen. When you finish to sew, your elastic should look this way. Grab the front elements and place the elastic one on top of the other. After, grab the lighter, melt the elastic and stick it together. And do exactly the same with the back elements. Next, grab the gussets and find the middle by folding the gussets exactly the same way like you see me doing here. After, grab the front elements and place them on top of the lace gusset face to each other. Do the same with the back elements. Next, grab the lining fabric and with the face down, place it on top. Then, pin everything together with the needles. When you finish to pin everything together, go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here and here. Don't forget to do the cleanup. After, grab the picot elastic again and sew it on here Check the elastic everywhere, and if you see some fabric is coming out, then don't be afraid to trim this place. But you need to be very careful, do not cut the elastic. After, fold the elastic this way and sew it one more time with the settings you can see on the screen. Cut off the leftover of the elastic and then eliminate the fluffiness of the elastic by using a lighter. Next, grab the front top element and place it on top of the front elements, face to each other. And pin everything together. Do the same with the back elements. Turn the panties on the wrong side. After, grab the picot elastic and sew it on here and here. And as usual, don't forget to do the cleanup. After, you need to fold the elastic exactly the same way like you see me doing here. And sew it one more time here. When you finish to sew on the elastic, it should look this way. Fold the panties face to each other and align the side seams. And pin it with the needles on the both sides. After, go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here. I want to share with you a small tip. When you come close to the elastic, elevate a little bit the foot. And for this, you just need to put your finger under. By using this technique, your elastic will stay on the same level. This is the front element and this is the back. Make sure that the side seam push to the back element of the panties. Next step is to go to your sewing machine and sew here and here. This is what I have so far, and it looks already beautiful. You always win by picking the black and the red colors, and especially for underwear making. So, the last step to finish my bikini panties is to lace it up. And for this, I'm going to use the ribbon and the tweezers. But I love to do it on my mannequin. Okay, you need to grab 3 meters of the ribbon, then grab the lighter and burn the ends of the ribbon. After, all you need to do is to lace it up by using the tweezers. Cut off the excess of the ribbon. After, do the same with the back element.